It's here for me mamuni akwaba about Melodies Podcast YouTube channel. So Mr. And there I am first time wa subscribe na click notification bell no so am I na uni Ghana breaking news are eba endra ende insure etoye say ahomachi and insure toye na insuranso so a dey aba no eno ho na me report ya no na subscribe na click notification bell and down screen so see am Mr. Yan sa pepepe am I na sisiano enkran minim sisiano yenim enkran no the AC e the capital insuto kakre bipe na flood insuto kakre bipe na flood sisiano bobia entumi ntrase but year in year out we always see these things happening and yes and then the first time I BBC AC every year me pesa me kai eye ahwefo yaw na ye ne kai eye June 3rd enyama esi ye June 3rd eye atorenchama eto ye ninia no se na insuo eto ama circle aflade na circle flood ye no na gas fuel bi aha eliki ya dida nsuo ne ni atrese wo hwese ne na ehwa aflade no ejato mu efa wo bia hye wo bia no for say minim aside June 10 na Ghana every year in Kyoto a year in Crawford in Kyoto abon say flood esi ewo Accra de bi esi sana abon say the ebesi say politicians no be kasa fa ho but rainy season ne kwa eno ano no omo nya hwe and esi sana abon say politicians no be so so mo ko bubu Crawford bi dan omo bubu Crawford 1-2 bi dan pe no ano no rainy season ni twem pe no ano no ye nya hwe emfa on na sanya me din kan ema wote ase no wuni Ghana endra ene ende ahomache insio eto ene for menim say we dey enya surprise Accra just like always no esanso flood here now the bad news are airban say awudome nipa ba ko wo drown ya chese insio no efa na nipa no wewu na a very sad story ever but minim Ghana the capital minim I don't even know what to say I don't even know what to say the capital of this country man minim say Ghana no Accra no still yenka say capital but capital of a country na BBC no ya na eningwase say international media no mun huyen pa say the capital pa na chese insio to sebe e krasia de bia ye ka say krasia no insio to enyi nkrofo sa na capital mo a e wo say enibie ba na e wo say gates ni ye yiyi bu bia mu night ne nyama na insio to e say fa de bia e say fa nia no afi capital ni mo no insio to na flood me read the article we emamu na men share ye Ghana fo adwen senia womo kan ewo social media nsema Ghana for kan afa flood we ho ewo social media metre won nsema Ghana for kan afa BBC ho na I say some part of the capital city got flooded after a downpour on Sunday evening nti insio no ehyaase say endra enumre ahomachi we so na still egugu na some places including the Kwame Nkrumah interchange Kaneshi Aveno, Dansoman, among others, were all flooded. Tisiano, say these places pana a tie flooded, a year Kwame Nkrumah interchange, Circle, Kaneshi, Aveno, Dansoman pa, first, you can say Dansoman, very elite area. You see, a Dansoman crown put there, flood, is you hey, You also say a young man was also found dead after heavy rains. Now, the young man later say some of the affected places included the Kwame Nkrumah interchange, the Kaneshi, Aveno, Dansoman, among others. The heavy rains saw choked drains spilling water onto the roads and making them unmotorable. Passengers were compelled to alight from their vehicles and walk through the water, while other vehicles were forced to change their routes. Naturally, say senya insuno etoya no echoki eye gata ne nyama intino insun so eto na ese fa gata mu nsuo de ese fa gata mu na se gata na echoki efin ewom na nsuo ntumi mfemu a nsuo de se ne ade bia nkofo ana expect ka no water will find its own level. It is a nsuo ese fa gata mu na gata no se be efin wom na echoki nsuo na nsuo no de ebefa ne level o ebepe ne level bi afa. Nti no the only place nsuo no beba befa eye kwan so. Nti efa kwan so ema womo a womo twika no ebi mu siye ebi mu omo sesa womo akwan especially eye omo te trotro mu no dodo na trotro no entumi amfa nsuo no nti dodo na esiye eno mo nante fa nsuo no metie for and also very very dangerous because se nsuo no ebu afagata bi so na wo kofa so a eno na eya efa nkrofo no because we hu say nsuo na ye ho ma hu say bia gata eda nsuo na ase woko nante afa ho pepa na wato gata nim na chese nsuo na de woko for I say one of big drains that caused the flooding was the Odo River in the heart of Accra at the Kwame Nkrumah circle. It was overflowing. Not just the Odo River no just say ebua faso ama wo hwe Kwame Nkrumah circle a na ye friend Kwame Nkrumah Dubai na for Dubai pan and nsuo afan say. Some Ghanaians on social media also shared their experiences from where they were during and after the rains. Now, maybe the Nsema Ghana for ebimo etroye over social media because Sisiano on the social media by there BBC will be you don't need to be there to be properly informed. Uko social media ubenya a lot of information now what the abubo monache say you make the right decision for yourself. Now we every will be your friend chire na chire the author and say I say circle there if I pee for there safe the whole place feel flat the chire can was this here there circle yes Kwame Nkrumah circle hono or no train or Johnson wo ho kra or you sure say circle hono ho just say nsuo no ebe yi nkrofo wo ho just about Johnson e was circle kra na nsuo be yi nkrofo eno ne nsema chire elebetu ja na very interesting Nabila Abdullahi so some of the two just say first time I experienced flooding at first hand in Accra, walked through the powerful flooding water at thigh level, had to walk from Carnation to Circle as I made attempts to find my way home from Dansoman after Liberty Professional versus Inter Allies game. Scary that I'm home safely. It's here for na Nabila Abdullahi or a journalist ewo Quincy Sports. Into you see or no there wako share ball of free Dansoman and our share ball senya Michelle says is ya Dansoman car e flood no na Liberty Professionals and Inter Allies e ball and no okoye na or sports journalist into no reporting on it na it's here for what bano na nsuo eto na chese eyi nkofo a flood esi wo ho na o share the last word of the can was scary but I am home safely na chese na ehu pa but wadanyame ase se wedu fie etiefo eno ne nsem ebi mo editu dwa eno ne nsem ebi mo editu dwa social media very very scary na obi nso etro ese meanwhile a young man was also found dead at the Awudome in Accra. An official of the Urban Search and Rescue Team of the National Disaster Management Organization on patrol duties told City News that they found the lifeless body of a man believed to be in his 30s near a drain in the area. The ambulance service and the police arrived at the scene a few minutes after the body was found and conveyed the remains to the morgue. A resident in the area said the deceased was earlier seen directing traffic. I know him within the vicinity. He is popularly known as Kweku Bonsam. He was directing traffic just around the roundabout because of the water situation there. We believe maybe he had taken alcohol beyond his limit and as such was carried by the water to this point. Na senya nkofo e kan say abrante ne friend Kweku Bonsam abrante ne yɛfrɛ no Kwaku Bonsam a nsuo afa no etie for chewadwen e wo comment box ni mu chewadwen e wo comment box ni mu Ghana de chewadwen wo comment box ni mu me da ase